There is nothing better than warm pumpkin bread on a cold fall day. The best person to help us make it is my wonderful mother-in-law, Danya.
Hi.
Okay, Mom, take over.
Okay, the child in my family that really loves the pumpkin bread is Holly. I like to make it for her.
Because it's the best ever.
So we're gonna start with 1.5 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And we're just gonna kind of stir these together. 2 eggs, pumpkin puree, whole 15-ounce can, 1/2 cup of oil, just something to cook with. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these at this point. Just mix it until everything is well incorporated. You don't want to overmix. It's a lot of air into the eggs and you don't really want to do that. 1 cup of flour, 1¼ teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of salt. Give that all a little stir. 1.5 cups of crumbs, about 1/2 cup of oats. We're just doing it on low speed, all mixed together. And here's what the batter will look like. Just going to spoon in the pumpkin bread. Now we're ready to put this in the oven, 350, for roughly an hour to hour and 10 minutes. And here we have pumpkin bread.
Oh my gosh, it's delicious.
So there you have it, Mr. Cake Guy.
I gotta try this.
What?
What?
What?